Hi folks, welcome back to another short video. I'm sitting in a brand new full-size Range Rover. So it's the 2023 model, I believe. So it is the brand new model. Customer ordered it with Meridian Audio, thinking he would be really happy with it, but in fact he was quite disappointed when it arrived. So the rest of the technology in the car is great, but the Meridian Audio isn't that great. The setup has changed completely from the previous models. You now have a speaker in the top of the dash, a tweeter in the door here, a woofer or mid-bass driver in the bottom of the door, and there's a free air subwoofer in the rear wheel arch, which is quite common with these types of cars. So what we've done in here, we have replaced the mids and tweeters. So we've taken out the nasty little paper cone mid in the top of the dash, we've fabricated a baffle, and we've installed a Audison Voce mid-range in there. We've installed an Audison Voce tweeter behind the Meridian grille here, with nothing showing at all. We've fully soundproofed this doors, so that is 3 layers of soundproofing in this particular system. And we've kept the existing bass driver in there. Now that's a very strange looking bass driver when you see it. It's got an inverted cone. Actually it works very well and produces quite a bit of bass. We've then added a JL audio amplifier and a subwoofer, all hidden underneath the floor in the boot. We've also added a ghost immobilizer to secure this vehicle, because anything keyless is very easy to steal at the moment. And we've added witness cameras, the very latest Thinkware Q1000 with iVolt battery for long periods of standby recording. I would jump out of the car and show the subwoofer, but it's raining. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you'd like more information about the Meridian upgrades we offer for all Jaguar Land Rover vehicles, then please get in touch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post lots of content just like this. Thanks very much for watching.